got this G170, same as the 8670. We're having some trouble with the PTO not coming on. You can see I got a low coolant here, that's not related to it. But what happens is we go to turn the PTO on and we get these error codes, F334 and F314. And one of them, the F418, is the low coolant, not to worry about that one. The 314 says PTO solenoid short, and the 334 is PTO solenoid open. So we're gonna see what's going on here to cause this. I have no idea, but I'm guessing it's something to do with this PTO solenoid. So we're gonna clean up the back and see what's going on here. So the PTO solenoid is under this cover here, and let's see if I can get a light on that. You can see there's a couple solenoids underneath. One's four-wheel drive, and I know one's PTO. Looks like this middle one here. What does it say? I don't know what that one is. OL, not sure. The one on the left side here is four-wheel drive, but our problem one is on the right here. So we're gonna see if we can figure out what's going on there with that one. We'll pull this cover off and see what's going on here. Okay, I got all this blown off. I was messing around with this and I noticed it comes right off. So you can see that there's supposed to be a nut on the bottom here to hold it on. I would guess that's the problem, but you can see it's spun around a bunch of times. So it's possible I ruined the valve stack there. So we'll clean it up here good and I'll show you. We got another 8870 over here. We'll take a look at that one quick. I'll show you what it looks like. I pulled the cover off of this one as well, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but there is definitely a nut on there. So we use this tractor mostly for tillage, so I'm going to pull that nut off, and hopefully New Holland sells the nuts separately. Probably not, but we'll hope. All right, so we got that solenoid tightened down, and we're gonna see if that fixed it. Yep, we're running. Good deal. Seems to have been the problem. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below. And if you want to see more videos like this come up in your feed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find out when our next video comes out, hit that notification bell below, and that'll send you a notification when our next video comes out. Thanks a lot for learning more about our farm, and we sure appreciate it.